Okay, so we're going to do a revision of the indicators, and one of them will be KCX. This indicator, I've been saying this is very, very good for people who want to buy things from the bottom. And of course, as long as the market is bullish, it's very, very effective. So let's just see how effective is this, yeah? So let's see the charts right now. And we bring in gold as a candidate. Okay. So let's just look at what happened previously first to make it easier. Okay. So now you can see we go back all the way to then, whereby gold was down. How much? See, let's take a look. The gold was at 2723, down all the way to 2578. All right. That means down basically $145. Y'all can see my chart, right? Can see? Yeah. $145, the one in the middle. All right, so about 5 trading days, it lost $145. Okay, so the time when that happened is how you follow me. Yeah, okay. Try to split screen, vertical line, change a bit of color. Okay, all right, so you can see that the market dropped all the way for a few days, and then on this day it sell the worst. On this day itself, it sell the worst, whereby it's down by how many? It's down by 2646 opening, close at 2585, down by 46 plus 8, down by $60 in one single day. Lost $60. So you can imagine that everybody in the market, whether it's a Wall Street Journal, CNBC, Bloomberg, Terminal Routers, everyone will tell you that, oh, gold came down, gold is going to collapse, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so then on that same day itself, you saw the KCX, right? Okay, that's where it get very exciting already. Yeah, follow me. Yeah. Okay. So what should you do on the day there's a KCX, right? It's going to make it simple. The closing price itself is going to be very critical, the closing price. So you just put a line at the closing price, and that is your technical level. So as long as the market can stay above that level, that'll be good. But you may ask a question, but KEL, the next day itself also got KCX, but it's low, it's actually reducing. So which one should I choose? The one that has the longest KCX, the longest green color, the one that has the longest one, that closing price, you put a line down there. Now, again, last time we used to have the line, right? Last time, yeah, we took it out because some people get very confused of it. And last time, the one they used the next KCX, it didn't use the longest KCX. So that part itself, because it's not according to my thing, I took it out, but I put it back to PTP level. So today I'm sharing with you extra. So you must watch out for, listen to me. Yeah. Okay, so because of that itself, right, you can see aftermath, that is how the market start to rocket up all the way. Got an idea now? Okay, yeah, so one vertical line to tell you what the KCX is, and then one horizontal line for the closing price. Okay, so you got the idea now. We shift ourselves to the next where we are right now, everyone. So how should I do this now, everybody? If you remember, I just tell you, right, first, we have to locate the one that KCX, right? So of course, it's this one, okay? I purposely put it on the left side to show you that which is the one you're looking at. So the next thing that we will do now is to put a closing price at where? At the candle that has a KCX, and it must be the longest green. In this case, there's no other one as green, so the one that should be here. Ah, you see? That's it. So you notice after that what happened, right? Okay, I show you the very crazy part here itself, yeah? Okay, I change this color a little bit. I change it to, okay, white is fine. So take this guy away. Okay, so you see what happened the last 3-4 days. The market actually stopped at the line itself, right? So you saw the market stays aligned, right? Okay, so now what's going to happen is this. I want you to take a look, everybody. So you see that there is line here. Okay, the market stopped there and recovered. So now if I am to change this to a 5-minute chart, I want to show you what happened 4 days ago. Okay, you see for yourself. Then you will really understand why KCX by itself is very powerful. Okay, let me show you now. Yeah. So 4 days ago were these 2 days. Okay, let's take a look and how does it work. Okay, so I move back. It's 1 day, 2 days. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so initially the market opens and then ding dong ding dong dong, it burst past the line, it went all the way down. Okay, then it bottomed out. When it recovered, right, you notice that's where it actually stopped here. So very interesting. You just stop there, as if they know that that's a pivotal point. And once the market found strength in the second half, which is here, then the market pump up already. Okay. All right. So on the next day, you can see the market purposely again came down to test the white line again, the one that we draw, and then it goes down, it breaks below, bump, came down. But once you go back, right, it ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong for a long, long time. And then again, when the boys come in, bang, bang, bang. Okay, got the idea now? Pretty cool, right? So as long as you know this trick here as well, right? Now, what should I do this coming few days? Okay, let's take a look. So now we know that the closing price here itself is 23177. Okay, 3177. So if you ask me if gold really want to pull back down, where would it go? Then I tell you lah, most likely you want to go and test 3177 again. Okay. Now, of course, doesn't mean that you will have to go down there. But if you ask me which technical point would I want to really put my massive buy order, then I think 3177 I can watch out. Okay. All clear? If all clear, press number 3 right now. Yeah. So that's KCX for you. Very simple to use, not difficult at all. Okay. All right, so KEL, can we use it on 5 minute chart? Not really, leh. Because 5 minute chart is too so fast. You don't if you do that, right? I don't think you have enough time to. There's too much up and down, so I don't really advocate that. Yeah. Okay, let's try this on other market like the Dow Jones recently. Okay, let's try. Okay, so everybody follow me. Okay, so look at the KCX right now. Between the two KCX, okay, hold on. Between the two KCX, right, which is longer, right? So you just move your mouse over. You can see this has minus 338, minus 338. Move your mouse over, minus 336. So of course, which one's bigger? The one earlier in front. So the earlier in front, let's put the line over there. That will give us this guy here. So which means that this guy is actually the pivotal point of the market. So what you do, put a horizontal line at the closing price. Now you see why the Dow Jones recovered. So the market actually opens the next day, bam, came down, right? Because it failed to stay. The boys were selling, understood. But then when the market rebounded, you see where it go up again? Exactly. It stopped exactly at where we say that's now based on the same criteria. This is insane. And of course, because the market couldn't go higher, the boys are selling. That's why the price pulled back. But when the market had the KSI turns to green, remember this I show you right the gold chart. When the KSI turns to green, oh, you say that's where the thing really happened. Look at it. The market initially stopped over there, but once it found strength, recover very strongly, bang, 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 all the way up already. So this is why I say, guys, if you know the KCX, how to draw this line, you are done deal. All right. So of course you say, KL, you never teach us last time. Of course, it took me some time to really perfect this art itself. So I'm informing you now, this is the thing to do. All clear? So you can try it out on your own, but I think the best way is that you use the market. You buy you get AIMS day chart indicator. And how to do that itself, right? You need to subscribe to Uncle Ben, yeah? And find Uncle Ben to assist you. So can we do it on Forex itself? I say that's the best thing to do. Let's put in Forex. So let's put in dollar yen example. Let's try. Okay. So dollar yen, the one that has the longest green, which one? So look carefully, yeah. The longest green is this guy here itself. It's at minus 333. This guy here itself is only minus 325. So 333 is here, right? So you just put it over there. So this is a candle that has it. So I purposely move one to the back, yeah, just to show you. So the closing price is very important, right? Put it there. So once again, you see now the market, as long as it stays below the line, it sells. But once you go above it and stay above it, that is where the real buying is. Can you see now? And when the boys are buying, of course. So that's why you want to do that itself, right? Your trading cannot be too difficult, right? You will be able to make money. Now, if you want to try and insist try a 5 minute chart, right? Go ahead, like you can try itself, but there'll be a lot of choppiness, yeah? I warn you already in advance, okay? All right, so all clear? So you can try on Bitcoin right now. It's the same thing all together. All right, so Bitcoin, you can see that there is no blue, no KCX already there. So you have to go back all the way to here. Okay. All right. So if you have done that, okay, done that itself, then the next day, the closing price will be the important level, and voila. See, oh my God. Look at it. It crashed below the line is expected, okay? But what is amazing is that when you turn and the rebound and the where it stopped itself is the one that really takes home. So imagine if you know this little trick here itself, and you do the same thing, and you wait for the chart to basically formulate and stabilize it. And with the boys are buying, bang, 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 bang. Already crazy, right? So this is one trick for KCX. So today, this trick of KCX, I really think that you guys should go back and try as much as possible. Get the hang of it. I can guarantee you guys, you will definitely love it. I tell you that. Yeah, definitely love it. Right, Cal, can we do it on US stock itself, right? I'm not trying US stocks, but by default, it's the same thing. So remember, you just have to follow through and get your this thing here and found that this is the longest. And then after that itself, right, you just have to wait and then put a line. Okay, put a line at the closing price of it, which is here. Can you see that again happening? Yes, this is NVIDIA, right? So initially itself, it would not expected. Then when it go up itself, it shoot up all the way. And then when it pull back down, it stabilized. And when it try up again, you can see now it's supported. And after that, the boys came in only, bam, the price got away. So the pattern keep on repeating. So of course, the first time you draw the KCX line, the price going down is very normal. Then you rebound the first wave and it pull back again. But when it stabilize at the line and when the KSI come in at the bottom, that's it. That is your start of your bull. Yeah, pretty cool, right? So how about sell then? That's interesting. So tomorrow we talk about that sell, okay? Today we talk about buy first. Okay, guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for hearing me out. Judy, you're driving or not? You're not in the bus. Oh, you're driving. Please be very careful. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Take care.